Hey everybody, this is the Safety Harbor Firearms KEG Compact Entry Gun 5.56. It is a AR-15 223 or 5.56 caliber pistol using the KEG Compact Entry Stock short and carrier, buffer and spring in a pistol configuration, requiring no special paperwork or anything. So we're going to do some test firing here and see how she works. Let's do it. Worked very good. That's probably about 100 rounds we've had through it so far today, and it's working really well. Once again, 7-inch barrel, Safety Harbor Firearms internal parts to create the short pistol version, and this one here happens to be Duracoated with the Magpul Dark Earth, and works out really well. Should have them on the market real soon.